Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own green screen edit on CapCut. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit just to show you. Then by clicking the video you can see these options, and I'm going to press mask, press the rectangle one, and press invert. And then you are just going to adjust it to the video screen. So, not the video, sorry, the laptop screen. You're going to adjust the size to the sort of picture. Then press the check mark button. Then you're going to want to press the plus button and choose this green screen sort of picture. And then on the second clip, you're going to choose overlay and put it over the green screen like so. Then you're going to want to export the green screen, press done, and then to use it, press new project, select a video, press overlay, and add in that green screen you have created. Press add. I'm just going to zoom in. Zoom in on the overlay, and then press chroma key. Select the green part and adjust the intensity and the shadow too. As you can see, there's like a line there, but it's because the mask wasn't perfect, but you can do better. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!